Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to open new slide document in PowerPoint presentation. Let's get started. At first, open your PowerPoint software. Then here are home menu. Then we can see here are new option. Then click new and here are blank presentation or then click this. Now I am insert new slide or blank presentation. You can write something easily. You can here title. I am write something. Then you can add another. Then go to the file and go to the new. And here are many template. Then I am choose this. Then click create. Thus insert it. Now you can see open new slide document in PowerPoint presentation very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.